Wow.
I'm bloody... Look at that, man.
Well, yeah, I'll need these pictures, Steve, if I can, because I've got...
Have you noticed when I film, I'm like, spare tyre anyone?
Oh yeah.
Let's try and get up here. Really? Right guys, we're inside a bus. Just all I got to say is thank you for the person that sent me the pin for this. I don't know who it was, but look it. Ouch. Old forklift there. Steve, I do think we need to stick together here. All these different types of buses. Steve? Yeah. Oh, there you are. There's nothing through. Right. Look at that, guys. Burnt out wreck. Look at it. This is where we were just a minute ago. Mike, Steve, look at this. Shame about the forklift, but still. Right guys, so today we are in Wigan. These pins were actually given to me by My Urban Explorer. A few months back I got a large list of pins. So this is the first time I've been able to actually do this. So what have we got there? It doesn't say the make of that one, but that one obviously there's a Royal Mail. I have seen Parcel Force already. Always look at all the spare stuff, look. So hopefully this comes out alright, because I don't like using this camera, but just because where we are, I'm thinking it might be wise to use it. Bit of a dead end, so I don't really want to go in here. So there's a number plate, N213 Uniform Hotel Hotel. I think those ones there as well are Royal Mail, and this one, but you can't really tell because the stuff has been hidden. But it's part of a bus, as you can tell. I was pointing out the obvious, really, but this is just wide open, guys. Yeah, I was right. I did say it was a Royal Mail, didn't I? But so Steve is somewhere behind me, I don't know where, but I thought it'd just be good to carry on because just so we don't step on each other's feet, but on the other hand, probably the idea is to stay with each other. Like, what in God's name is that? Axles on top of axles. Look at it. You've got engine parts, filters, axles again, radiators. They like congregating their stuff together, but they don't really secure it. Because I'm not here to document, but I don't know how well this is coming out in the video, guys, because I've never used this one completely in the dark before. Last can use this up here. The footage was corrupted so much I couldn't use it. So I'm hoping, for my sake and yours, this comes out alright. The difference is the temperature is on the other end of the scale. Look at these, back to look, belly to belly. These these flatbed trailers. A bit more there she is. Well, you've got up there, you've got flatbed trailers belly to belly. Look at that. Why isn't this protected? Oh, please.
Oh, door. Emergency door.
Return please. Oh, there's no one sat there. Yeah, there's no one in here. So, there's about three of the Royal Mail ones. So Louis, if you're watching this, mate, you're missing.
Would you want to go upstairs in that, or would you?
I think you would. Oh, I want to know if there's a Bristol here.
Look at all these wheels, man. Oh, there's a what? Engine?
I'd hope so. You going upstairs?
There's only one way to find out. Go 1p.
This first step's a doozy, as Bugs Bunny used to say.
Sometimes it's to be upstairs.
Oh shit! You're not wrong. This reminds me of college.
Oh, this floor feels so unsafe. Careful.
Right, shall we sit at the front like we normally do, Steve?
Steve, you want to sit in?
This is when it tips over.
Man, this floor feels so dodgy.
Steve, I'm going to do what we do best. Hey, that's where Dave used to look up, Steve.
Dave?
Yeah, the mirror.
Yeah, this is a very sketchy bus.
Exploring within.
What's up in histories? Right, Emma, where are we sitting? Wherever you are.
She's there. Oh, sorry,
Where
Emma.
are we going?
I just blinded her.
Do you want us to take a picture of you both? Okay.
Can do.
If you want.
You.
Do you want to do it on there?
Not a bad explore, guys.
Well, you do it. I can just send them to you.
It's a quick one, but you know, reminds me of going to college.
Want to sit at the back of the bus?
Can do, yeah.
Like the
Apparently, we're
pictures?
going to have a picture done, so let's do it. Right, we're going to go to the back of the bus. There she is. She's going to take a picture of us. I forget she doesn't like a picture taken.
Mate, these don't look very nice. I'm just going to sit here. I'm not going to be fussy.
Did you just tell? You know that step you told us about? Did you just fall down it?
I fell down it. I just forgot about it.
So yeah, you just sit there
There we go, folks.
and there on the way to college.
Ignore that step. A bit dodgy. Well, guys, it's pretty safe to say this bus is not going
Anywhere.
anywhere anytime soon. And that actually costs us still. Wow.
Oh mate, there's a. Oh, can you get in that cab? Sorry, Emma.
No.
Absolutely
I've
not.
tried that. It don't out. I was literally just going to suggest that. Definitely been there.
It's been mauled, isn't she?
Yeah, I was just wondering about that.
Oh, it is, yeah. See the dinner plate on the front? Yeah,
The badge.
Night badge.
Oh, right.
Eat dinner.
I'm tempted to climb that. Up there, across the trailer.
Alright, climbing up stuff, aren't you?
Do I climb across that to see what the other lorry is behind it?
Should I stay or should I go?
Well, if you want to go, the exit's that way. But good idea. Oh, we're quite close to the capital of sheep, aren't we? So
Oh, you go in there tomorrow?
yeah, we're going to see the Urbex sheep tomorrow, aren't we? That's his logo.
We gotta go to Skegness tomorrow, haven't we?
No, we don't.
Yeah. Skeggy.
It's Jeremy's sports lorry without a T cab on it.
Is that Jeremy's sports lorry?
Well, it isn't. It hasn't got the T cab on it. Have a Scani's T cab. If anybody in the comment section knows what I'm on about, let me know. Steve, come in here. Picture because I was sat there.
Do you want me to get one from here as well?
Yeah, that would be great. Thank you. At least someone's thinking about me.
Are you with Blakey?
If you want me to be Blakey.
Okay.
Come on, mate.
That's a lip. It's a Leyland Daff. It's
Yes.
a fucking Leyland Daff.
It is
A Leyland Daff, as you just said.
Leyland Daff.
Do you know those are lorries? That's the main thing. Right, there's one on the floor.
Oh.
We could exit through here. There's two people down there.
Why's got your lights on?
Because they're walking away from us. It's fine, just keep going.
Oh, what? Yeah. Maybe we should head out then.
Here you go then.
Can we get out that? Oh, okay. What do you reckon then?
Just me in the car now.
Okay.
There's literally nobody else back.
Right.
I've never been on drinking anything.
No, I'm not. When you're ready.
Go on then, back up you come.
You alright?
I might get a couple of pictures while we're here. Might be an idea.
We should probably start filling out. end of the explore. And this abandoned lorry factory. So something different, been really quite good. So here is History and Emma again. Drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you in the next video.
Well guys, that's the end of the Wigan bus and lorry graveyard. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. We have been joined today by Emma and Steve from Exploring Within. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.